Nothing doing. You are going to see this girl. Otherwise, don't ever talk to me forever.
Ennamma, this is sheer blackmailing.
Blackmailer? If I think good for you, blackmail is it? You will not find such a cultured and well-mannered girl with traditional values, da.
Anand, what your mother thinks, you know? She thinks you will marry some shameless hippie from the US.
Amma, what do you think, Amma? Only pub crawling divorced and drunks live in the US?
I don't want to hear anything. You will meet this girl and say yes to her. You know, the other day at Srinidhi's wedding, when I saw this girl, I thought, this is the girl for you. She looks so beautiful, da, in that orange Kanjivaram sari.
Appa, why don't you tell her something?
Oh yes, I must say something. But Anand, what should I tell her?
Appa, you tell her.
Forget it. Right. Sarasu, forget it.
Arre?
Ask him to forget me if he doesn't marry that girl. You can stay in the US and not even come if I die.
Was Amma Hitler in previous birth?
Hey, you didn't know? Sarasu, he doesn't know.
Ashushu, they've come? They've come so early? Canna, go get dressed.
Hey,
why are you sitting like this? Go. Wear your trousers, ma.
But why should I change?
Vangu, Vangu.
Hello, Auntie.
Where is Amma Appa?
Auntie, I have to marry your son, no? So I thought I'll check him out first. Mom and Pops can always meet him later, no?
Come, come.
Hello, Uncle. Hello.
You look exactly like Sarasu had described. Isn't she? He is Anand.
Hi.
Hi, Subbalakshmi.
Oh, please. You can call me Subi. And so, Andy.
Andy.
Anand. I mean, Andy, right? And Subi. You both go sit and talk. Anyway, you won't be wanting us old people around. Sit and talk. Sit on the sofa. Sit. Where? I can't see anything. Where?
West Coast? Oh my God, I love the West Coast. It's my favorite. Oh my gosh, I love going to the US.
Thank you, Amma.
Oh, thanks. You know, they say a lot can happen over coffee.
It's a smart couple now. You know, I think they are a perfect match. They match each other. They suit each other, you know. The girl is very educated, learned.
It's awesome. But do you like to cook?
Sometimes I cook. But what about you? Do you?
I hate cooking. Not my type. Please, I'll get a maid. But instead, I love to party. I love cocktails.
Oh.
Yeah, you drink?
I drink, but Amma.
Ah, Chupa Rustum. You like coffee like me?
Ha, I love. Kapi I like.
Jeez, we have so much in common. This is really cool. But really, you know, I mean, maybe we should just go out more often.
Bye, Subi.
If we would have left you alone, she would have been on your lap.
Amma, she was so cool, Amma.
Cooler. It's hot. Put on the AC.
What, Amma? You didn't like her, huh? Amma, she's completely my types. She's the one, ma, and she looked romba pretty in that sari.
Apart from that sari, there was nothing traditional about her. She has given up music, she can't cook. All that she says is, how? Party, party, party. When can I have party?
Amma, she's quite with the times. And nowadays, where will you find a typical traditional girl? Huh? I'll marry her. Huh? And after all, how can I disobey, Amma?
You will disobey me if you marry her. Kanna, I think you deserve somebody better. More cultured, with a lot of traditional values. But that day, how did I miss out on this girl's tattoo?